Example number 5. We want to use the multiplication property to solve for x. In part A, we want to solve for x. Normally, what we do is divide both sides by 2. It is the same thing as multiply by 1/2. So you notice that multiply and divide, they are just like brother and sister. Now we cancel out the x, and the other side we got 3. We multiply by a positive number in part A, so the inequality we do not need to switch. In problem B, we need to multiply both sides by -3. So we get x, and the other side -36. We multiply both sides by a negative number, and we recall in property number 3, we need to switch the inequality because we multiply by a negative number. Problem C, we will multiply by -1/4 to get rid of -4. So we get x by itself, and on the other side we will get 2. The inequality will need to switch because we multiply by a negative number. In part D, we will multiply by -1 to get x by itself. In this case, you can divide by -1, which is the same thing. And on the other side, we get -8. Since we multiply by a -1, we will switch the inequality. For this problem, part B, we multiply by -3. Part C, we multiply by -1/4. Part D, we multiply by -1. We switch for part B, part C, and part D the inequality because we multiply by a negative number. In part A, we multiply by a positive number. We keep the same inequality. We did not switch.